In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the problem in your textbook, exercise 7 on page 254, using your calculator and the augmented matrix. So in the previous video, we set up our two equations with our two unknown variables, and then we wrote down our augmented matrix. Now we're ready to go to our graphing calculator and have our graphing calculator row reduce this augmented matrix into echelon form so that we can get the solution to solve this system. So on your calculator, you're going to go to the matrix, which is right here. It's in the first column, and it's right above the x to the negative 1 button. So you're going to press second, and then x to the negative 1 to get into the matrix. We need to edit our matrix. Just choose the first one. Right now it says 2 by 3. If your calculator doesn't say 2 by 3, then go ahead and type in 2 by 3, right? That stands for the number of rows and the number of columns in our matrix. So it's always row times column. So we have 2 rows and 3 columns. Now I'm going to use the arrow down button to start typing in my coefficients and my constants. So let's go ahead and type that in. Press enter. All right, let's type in our constant, 25.65, enter. 1, enter, 1, enter, 55, enter. Okay, now that I've typed in my matrix, you want to get out of this window. So just quit by pressing second mode. And now let's go back into the matrix. So I'm pressing second matrix. This time we're going to move to the second tab, math. You're going to want to make sure that you choose RREF. So be really careful because, okay, I went too far. So A is REF. We don't want A. We want B, RREF. So press enter. Notice your cursor is blinking, so it's waiting. The calculator is asking you which matrix do you want it to row reduce into echelon form. So now go back into the matrix, second matrix, and then we're going to choose the first tab, which is already highlighted. And remember, we typed our matrix into number 1, which we called matrix A, the 2 by 3. So just choose that. All right, it pops up here. You don't have to close the parentheses, but it doesn't hurt to close it. Now press enter, and there's your solution. So let's interpret the solution in the context of this problem. So the solution is 1, which means 1 crocus bulb, okay, equals 39. So that means C represents the number of crocus bulbs. That means that we're going to buy 39 crocus bulbs, and notice the 1, which goes with the number of daffodils. We're going to buy 16 of them. And you can also double check your answer. Is 39 plus 16 equal to 55? So that works out. And then check. If you buy 39 crocus bulbs, that's 39 crocus bulbs at 35 cents each, right? Add that to 16 daffodil bulbs at 75 cents each. Check to see that that actually does add up to $25.65. So that's a way of making sure that you got the right solution. And that's how we interpret our solution using the matrix. I hope you find this helpful.